How's it going, guys? This is Transdimensionalize back at it with another PC build, and this time I'm bringing a budget oriented one. I think I might name it the PC build budget edition, I guess. So yeah, and before starting this video, a huge shout out to people over at ArgoFox and HeroBoard for their really cool soundtracks. So it's actually a $500 PC build, and this is the sweet spot for all the budget gamers out there. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Kicking off the list, on our way to making a perfect build, the perfect candidate for the PC case is the Thermaltake Versa H22, and it seems just right. It comes with two variants, the window one and the non-window variant. It's a mid-tower PC case, and it even comes with two 120mm fans, so cooling is not really an issue, hands down. All in all, a really awesome case, and it deserves the damn good value from my side. You can tell that I'm definitely digging those features. I have picked up a really awesome motherboard for you guys, and this one is rock solid reliable. It's the Gigabythe H110. We are talking micro ATX business here, and LJ1151, which means skylake. It comes with two DDR4 RAM slots based on the Intel H110 Express chip. It comes with all the bells and whistles that you can expect from a budget motherboard like this. So the main idea is to keep it simple, keep it cheap, and save your money, cause you have to cut corners somewhere. So yeah, definitely go for this baby. Okay, now, you know, I know, this is the heart of all the gamers out there. It's time for the GPU. For this PC, the perfect GPU has to be the GTX 1050 Ti SC edition from EVGA. In case you are wondering, SC stands for superclock. The funny thing is 768 CUDA cores. I know, right? They're trolling us with the resolution and the number of CUDA cores, if you know what I mean. The best part? No PCIe connector. That's right. No fancy backplate, just the perfect little GPU. No, the card isn't perfect, cause I would have liked SLI bridge support, but that's just way too much for the price. So yeah, Nvidia, I'll give you a pass. For the CPU, i3-6100 has to be the obvious weapon of choice. It's skylake, and skylake has been a game changer ever since it has been on the market. Don't let the dual cores fool you, cause it's got hyper threading, which makes it behave like a quad core processor. I would even say that it's in the big league of its bigger brothers too when it comes to gaming. You know, i5 and i7. So yeah, once again I would like to crown it with the damn good value. I feel weird cause it's the second time I'm saying this, and I would suggest you to grab one of this. For the RAM, I went with the Crucial baliistix 8GB RAM module. Honestly, you don't really need more than 8GB of RAM, as far as I know. Really good RAM goes with the color scheme, and there's nothing much to talk about it. So moving on, the Seagate 1TB hard disk drive is going to be the solution for storing stuffs. This is a rock solid reliable hard disk drive and won't let you down. Before wrapping things up, for the PSU, we have the EVGA 500W power supply running for as low as $35. The funny thing is the 430W version is running for $45. I mean $10 more. Why would you even do that? Anyways, solid PSU. I think that wraps up everything, and I worked my heart and soul to find what's best for you. So please leave a like, a comment if you want to, and definitely subscribe, cause I have a little surprise for you guys. So yeah, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one. The products will be listed once more, and you might wanna pause it when it rolls.
One time I tell him I'm California dreaming. Dream. One time I tell him I'm California dreaming.